Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Peng. Are you ready to learn science with me? That's great. Today I will teach you the different geologic features that can be formed out from the convergence of two oceanic plates and convergence of two continental plates. Previously, you have learned about the different types of plate boundaries. Now, let us explore the different geologic features formed from convergent plate boundary. Before I will discuss further, let us define first the following. Convergence, the collision of two crustal plates. The plates move toward each other. Geologic features, formed or produced by Earth's events or activities. Trench, a depression in the seafloor produced by subduction process. Subduction, a process whereby the crust bends toward the mantle. Mid-ocean ridge, a continuous mass of land with low width and height in the ocean floor, also known as underwater mountain range. Volcanic island arc, a chain of volcanoes that develop parallel to a trench. There are three types of convergence. The first one is continent-to-continent convergence. When two continental plates converge, no subduction happens because of their similar densities. Therefore, no trench, no volcano, and definitely no island arc are created. Instead, a large group of tall mountains are formed called mountain range. The collision between Indian and Eurasian plates gives rise to a mountain Himalayas, to which it still grows because of the continuous grinding of the two plates. Another example is the European Alps. Upon collision, earthquake occurs because of the plate tectonics. The second one is oceanic convergence. Oceanic crusts are dense and very thin. When they converge, one runs over the other, causing it to sink and forms a subduction zone. As it goes deeper, it leads to the formation of trenches. These trenches can be the source of underwater earthquake that generates a sea wave called tsunami at a greater strength. Examples are Mariana Trench and Philippine Trench. This type of collision may also form islands like some of the Philippine Islands and volcanic island arc. The last one is continent-oceanic convergence. Here, oceanic crust sinks under the continental crust due to its higher density. It undergoes the so-called subduction process. As it sinks towards the hot mantle, the subducted crust melts and forms magma. Less dense magma with water rises up, causing volcanism on the continental crust. Another important feature formed on the oceanic crust is the trench, also called submarine valley. Mid-ocean ridge, or the underwater mountain range, is also created along the oceanic crust. The continuous grinding of plates causes the occurrence of earthquake, just like in the previous types. Now, let us all together answer self-assessment question number 1. What is the major geologic feature formed by the convergence of two continental plates? The correct answer is mountain range. Very good. What about the two oceanic plates? The correct answer is trench. That's right. Number 2. What do you think is the importance of knowing the geologic features formed by the converging of crustal plates? The correct answer is it provides us information about the plate tectonic theory. It also gives evidence and understanding of the evolution of the Earth's surface, formation of mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes epicenter. This time, let us have practice exercise. Let us complete the following by identifying the geologic features and examples of created features or places for each convergence. For number 1, what geologic features are formed by continent-continent convergence? What do you think? The correct answers are mountain ranges and Alps. Very good. What about their examples? They are Himalayas and European Alps. That's right. Number 2. What geologic features are formed by oceanic-oceanic convergence? The correct answers are subduction zone, trench, underwater volcanoes, and island arc. What about their examples? It could be Marianas Trench, Marianas Island in Japan, Aleutian Island, and Philippine Islands. Number 3. What geologic features are formed by continental oceanic convergence? The correct answers are volcanic arcs and mid-ocean ridges. That's right. What about their examples? It could be Cascades of Western US and Andes Mountain of South America. Philippines consists of several trenches. Can you name some of these trenches? Alright, Philippine trenches includes Manila, Negros, Cotabato Trench System, and the Sulu Trench. Were you able to get the answers? I bet you answered the self-assessment questions well. Now let us summarize what we have learned today. Convergence of crustal plates results to the formation of geologic features. High mountains form when continental plates collide. If the subduction occurs beneath oceanic lithosphere, an island arc is produced at the surface, such as the Japanese island, the Aleutian Island, Philippine and Caribbean islands. If the subduction occurs beneath the continental crust, continental volcanic arc is produced, such as the Cascades of the Western US and Andes Mountain of South America, also the Marianas Island. Converging oceanic plates create the formation of trenches. Earthquakes due to plate tectonics give rise to several geologic features and events.
Now, you are great on the go.
I want you to write down your answers on a 1/4 sheet of paper. Okay, number 1. Which of the following shows a convergent plate boundary? Is it letter A, letter B, C, or letter D? Number 2. What type of convergence leads to the formation of islands? A. Continent-continent convergence, B. Continent-oceanic convergence, C. Oceanic-oceanic convergence, or D. Both B and C? Which of the following are produced by the convergence of two continental plates? A. Mountain range and volcanic arc, B. Mountain range and earthquakes, C. Earthquake and volcanic arc, or D. Earthquake and trench? Number 4. Which of the following is produced when subduction zone is formed? A. Mid-oceanic ridge, B. Mountain range, C. Trench, or D. Volcanic arc? Number 5. What geologic event leads to the formation of Himalayas? A. Earthquake, B. Formation of mountain, C. Rift Valley Formation, or D. Volcanic arc? Number 6. What type of plate movement is shown in the figure? A. Convergence of continental plates, B. Convergence of continental oceanic plates, C. Convergence of oceanic plates, or D. Divergence of oceanic plates? Number 7. What Earth's event is formed in A? A. Mountain range, B. Ocean ridge, C. Trench, or D. Volcanic island arc? Number 8. If B is a subduction zone, what geologic event could possibly form in it? A. Ocean ridge, B. Trench, C. Tsunami, D. Volcanic? Number 9. Which of the following is not a geological feature produced by convergence? A. Earthquake, B. Island arc, C. Rift Valley, or D. Submarine valley? Number 10. What is the significance of learning these geologic features produced by convergence? Letter A. It explains the plate tectonic theory and it provides information of how mountains are built. Letter B. It provides information of how mountains are built and it provides us an understanding of the appearance of earthquakes and volcanism. Letter C. It explains the plate tectonic theory that provides us information of how mountains are built and it provides us an understanding of the appearance of earthquakes and volcanism. Or letter D. It explains the plate tectonic theory. It provides information of how mountains are built. It provides us an understanding of the appearance of earthquakes and volcanism, and it explains the evolution of the Earth's surface. And that concludes our topic for today. I hope you guys learned something from our discussion. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please stay at home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye everyone.